Now I'm at stall number 75, which is for Pyramid Valley International Bengaluru. I know most of you must have heard about Pyramid Valley International Bengaluru. So now we have one of the members from there, Mrs. Shalini, and we will get to know more about Pyramid Valley International Bengaluru and also about the stall and what all information you can get at the stall. So now let's get into conversation with Shalini. So now we have Shalini with us from Pyramid Valley International Bengaluru. Hi Shalini, welcome to PMC English.
Thank you, Aishi. It's nice to see you at the Pyramid Valley stall. Hello, friends. As many of you know, Pyramid Valley International is the international headquarters of Pyramid Spiritual Societies movement. So now let us have a look how Pyramid Valley started. So Pyramid Valley started in the year 2003, and this is how the whole place used to be. It is a complete mountainous place, and we got the place in the year 2003, and then on the development started. So this is the first donation what we received in the year November 2003, and that's how the whole place started. So this is the first construction. As you can see the progress here. So we have been doing the pyramid, the basement of that, and again in April 2005 the whole skeleton structure was formed. So this is the main pyramid structure, and apart from that we also have a lot of room blocks which got developed, and this is the Annadana kitchen. So we have Nitya Annadana Seva, where each and every spiritual seeker who comes to Pyramid Valley is being served the breakfast, lunch and dinner. So we also have a reception block, and again, so this is the Annadana dining hall. Once the kitchen was developed, in the forthcoming year we also made the Annadana dining hall. Apart from that we also have conference halls, which is called the Swachham Conference Hall and the Kabir Bhavan Conference Hall, where a lot of programs, the wisdom sessions keep happening. So this is a cafeteria where people can come and enjoy different kinds of cuisines, and these are the dormitories where people come and stay for doing their sadhana, like who come and transform their lives. So these are the accommodation blocks, and this is Pagoda Cottage. So this is the place where whenever Patriji comes to Pyramid Valley, he stays here. And again, so we have a lot of staff quarters, because a lot of people who are at Pyramid Valley would be staying inside the campus to render their services. So for their support we also have staff quarters at Pyramid Valley. And this is one of the most important one, Zen Garden. So this was developed in the year 2016. So we have a labyrinth in the middle of that where you can have a mindful walk. And recently, we all know now in the digital era, and the 2 years before we also inaugurated the Kabir Studio. So we also have PMC Valley, and all the programs and the shooting do happen from that place. As we have been saying, so this is the timeline chart. Till now, to Pyramid Valley, about 17 lakh meditators have visited and done meditation here. And nearly 1.3 lakh meditators have stayed in the campus and experienced the pyramid energy. So there are a lot of transformation stories which do happen here. So about 55,000 students from different schools and the colleges have visited. And this is a Nitya Annadana Seva, where till now about 19 lakh free meals have been served. And many of you know the Global Federation of Spiritual Sciences is one of the annual event, and Buddha Purnima is the another annual event of Pyramid Valley International. So in that way, so different spiritual masters all across the globe come here and experience the pyramid energy. And the main thing is Pyramid Valley is one of the 7 wonders of Bangalore. So this is being opted as one of the main project, and which helps the seeker by Times New Foundation. So we are very happy that we are able to introduce Pyramid Valley to every one of you here. So now, being in this COVID times, there are a lot of people in the work from home option. So that is the reason we developed something called Work from Valley. So you all come here, can stay in this lush, green, serene valley, but still you can keep working. And we also have a signature program called Stillness Retreat. So this happens every month at Pyramid Valley, and all the details will be available in the pyramidvalley.org website. And Pyramid Valley, where we can have different people who can render their services, the seva. So all the details are available on the website, where you can come and experience the seva here.
I am Jayashri from Panjagutta, Hyderabad. I am finding very amazing this pyramid and very beautiful to enjoy here, and very nice time to come here and spend your time. Very nice place to meditate here.
Hello, this is Dr. Anuradha from Hyderabad. I came to Kartal Maheshwara Pyramid for the first time. This is a wonderful experience. I liked it so much. Thanks. I am grateful to the organizer, Mr. Patriji, to organize such a big and eventful event in this, and special care given to the ladies in the Dhyan Mandir. Thank you.